Hello.
Alright.
Record it? No. Bad luck. Malas. Oh, Jesse, recording already. Oh, grab the net. What? Let me get that bucket.
Oh, it's a screamer. Maybe it's a popio.
I'll go in the water for him.
Yeah, you going?
Oh yeah,
Bring
guaranteed.
him. Oh yeah, keep.
Oh.
Oh, it's a Palani.
It's a Popipi Road.
A Popipi.
I'm scared. I don't want to touch it. I want to put my hand in it.
Wow. Yeah, you.
Oh, dinner, baby, dinner.
Oh.
Okay, make sure you record the release too, so he gets fined.
I'm gonna kill it now.
Okay.
Eat it?
What happened to your camera?
Oh, yeah, it broke.
Oh shit.
No worries, it's on point one though.
Keep phone away. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
It's ulua. It's the big tuna. Oh shit. Yeah, you know I get action to it.
Just let him run. Let him run. Yeah, he got it.
Yeah, you. Wow, that's big. You don't put the phone away, but I swear to God.
No way, you would catch him. Fishing at the not so secret spot. Wait.
Hit him with the zoom.
Oh man.
A nice 9 feet of leader.
Bring that fucker in.
Yes, the phone. You fucking got it. This rips off because you would take off your phone. Oh.
Hey, you better fight him good.
Oh, you said what?
Oh, on a bender.
Open. You know, it's in the name. It's in the name.
First name Taco, last name Tuesday.
Last name ever. First name greatest.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
It's in the current right now. It's trying to eat me. Come here, buddy boy. Close the bar. I hope so.
Come on, something other than Palani. Bring him up. Bring him up.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, don't go over there. It's a Palani.
Holy shit.
Oh my God, the world will never know.
Touching your jar?
Get you. Oh my God, it's a
Oh.
fucking Palani.
Oh, good size.
Big baka. That's a good dinner for my kapamilya. Wow.
Bring him up. Bring him up.
Bring him up.
Oh.
Very
That's the
nice.
biggest one today.
That is the big screamer, look.
Oh!
Walk towards him, boo. Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Okay, I'm kind of out of your way, but not really.
False hook. False hook. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he swallowed. Yeah, you.
Yes, dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, don't lose it. Don't lose it.
If you see your lead and then it runs again, it's eel. Oh,
Palani,
boy.
boy.
Oh.
Actually, that's a pualu. It's not a
Yeah, get it right.
Surgeon fish.
Oh, check him off. You get him. You tell that fucker. What is that? What is that? Another Palani.
My favorite fish, tilapia.
Yeah, that's what we're... Oh, eel. Let's get the POV. Let's get the GoPro POV right
Guys,
here.
I feel like it's a veke. Oh, the POV.
Oh, not the POV, huh?
Oh, Ikolu.
Okay, shoulder head, shoulder head. Oh!
Came off.
Oh!
Oh!
Shoulder head again.
Okay, Jesse, okay. That's what I like to see. Oh.
What's your name and where are you from?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Ooh, oil.
Anybody like buy? Oh.
Oh, it came off. Yes, sir. Back to the depths. Whoop-de-doo.
Yeah, we got the double hookup, Chauncey and James.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's opening off.
Palani.
Oh shit.
Here.
One down. Okay, let's see what this one is.
Palani.
Oh, you think they're brothers?
I think they're distant cousins.
Oh, bro, you're so lucky I'm occupied right now, Jesse. Oh, ew! Oh yeah, definitely. That or I think it's a tuna. It might be a jack. Oh, fish bone, fish bone. Yeah. Come on, Brad. What, Brad? Like, bye, Brad. Oh. Good one.
Yeah,
Nengimas.
that's a whole one container.
Right there, yeah. That's the one you sample for milk from Evo Beach.
I don't think I will.
I don't know. This one Palani is pretty big. Kind of moving its cute little fossil around.
Yeah, you.
What's this?
For people,
Hope so.
I might be a bit
Oh,
angry.
yeah. Oh.
Bring this fuck up.
Oh, Palani.
Yeah, man.
Pualu. Whatever you like call them.
Oh my god, it's a fall Malosi.
Poor man's collar.